Is Truffoire legit? Truffoire is a world-renowned luxury skincare brand that has been making waves in the beauty industry with its innovative and highly effective products. The truffle-centric brand has set a new standard for skincare by creating lines that transform into a lifestyle rewarded with a healthier and younger-looking complexion. Fulfilling its promise to change lives is the use of its many collections infused with premium ingredients formulated exclusively in-house. But as brands gain the attention of new customers, warranted questions about brand legitimacy arise. In present times, savvy and more informed consumers demand transparency and authenticity from brands. So those who are unfamiliar with Truffoire may have doubts and are curious to know more by asking questions like, why is Truffoire so expensive? Is Truffoire FDA approved? These valid queries are brought up as they seek to know if what they will apply to their skin truthfully works. This article will look closely at Truffoire and its commitment to providing safe, world-class products that deliver incredible results. We will delve in to see how the brand introduces itself as worthy of your attention, as they break away from the mold, establish its path, and show its continued success in the competitive world of beauty. Is Truffoire legit? Like many skincare brands, surface-level Truffoire started because of a determination to give solutions to skin concerns. But what sets them apart is their no-nonsense approach to skincare. What you see is what you get, and they are ready to lay out what you will love to see in your mirror and which products will help you get it. If the game was quality, then the brand was dead set on winning. In 2016, what shaped the brand was one exquisite ingredient and a passion for helping women worldwide achieve timeless beauty. Truffles became the face, name, and core of Truffoire, with the creation and popularity of their Black Truffle Instant Repair Syringe and two of their most famous collections being named Black and White Truffle Collection, after their main ingredient. From there, Truffoire expanded, carrying more collections that have anti-aging products targeting specific skin concerns and boosting overall skin health. As Truffoire continues to grow, it allows the team to care for more women as they pledge to be a trustworthy source of excellent products made using advanced technology and continuously improve and adapt to their customers' needs. Celebrating innovation, Truffoire recognitions. Truffoire is a name synonymous with luxury and excellence in the skincare world. This brand has garnered the attention of top media outlets, blogs, and beauty experts who can't get enough of its innovative products. With countless feature articles and glowing product reviews, Truffoire solidifies its place as a leader in the industry. Truffoire was featured in an article by Forbes magazine titled "Meet the World's Only Truffle Concierge at the Savoy in Florence," written by 𝐨𝐵𝐿𝐼 in September 2021. The brand has also caught the attention of Buzzfeed in an article on how to keep the skin hydrated titled "Tried and Tested: My Favorite Skincare Routine to Keep the Skin Hydrated and Healthy This Winter," mentioning the White Truffle Day Moisturizer by Truffoire. The brand has also had its spotlight on MSN, CW39 Houston, and media and blog sites like Tiny Beans, Your Modern Family, Daily Mom, and Hey Do You, along with countless others reviewing and discovering the wonderful world of truffle skincare through Truffoire. In conclusion, Truffoire's unwavering dedication to delivering high-quality, effective skincare products has earned it a prestigious reputation for providing a luxurious experience. Truffoire's unwavering commitment. When it comes to skincare, transparency and customer satisfaction should be top priorities for any brand, and Truffoire takes this responsibility seriously by consistently striving to be open and honest about their ingredients, processes, and product results. Their commitment to helping customers achieve their skincare goals is unparalleled, and they never compromise on quality. The brand considers everything before a product is finished and shipped to the awaiting hands of a customer. Truffoire follows rigorous quality control in their laboratories, along with research on the ingredients and formulation of each product. The effect, scent, texture, and appearance are all correct before it goes to market. Products also go through revamps, being reformulated if needed to ensure efficacy. Their website also has an ingredients glossary highlighting the abundance of rich ingredients used in each product and collection, so you know what nourishment your skin will get. Transparency is vital for the Truffoire team to show their heart is on their sleeve for their valued customers. And if anything is even remotely wrong, their customer support team is ready to help. These steps manifest in the flow of positive feedback, reviews, and testimonials that Truffoire receives. Hundreds of customers rave about how Truffoire changed their lives, becoming the answer to their skincare questions they have scoured high and low for. One reviewer gave the Best Product Award to the brand, saying they tried many lines before, but nothing compared to what Truffoire gave her. Another says it's worth every penny, adding to the sentiment that her skin is in the best shape of her life because of the Truffoire products. She excitedly recommended it to a friend that loved the line and ended the review by saying, "No Botox, no fillers, just me and Truffoire," with 96 reviews giving it an overall 5-star rating and many more testimonials pouring in. Truffoire is a reliable brand that delivers on its promise. Truffoire also takes great care to ensure that their products and processes meet the highest standards. That is why all of their products are not and will never be tested on animals. Additionally, their products are made with naturally derived ingredients, paraben-free, dermatologically tested, and FDA approved. How do you use Truffoire products? After we wet the palette with everything Truffoire and you are new to skincare, you don't have to worry about complicated instructions or too many steps. The brand created a luxurious lifestyle that is so easy to incorporate into your day-to-day, fulfilling their promise of experiencing a spa-like treatment in the comfort of your home. Some examples are Black Truffle Illuminating Facial and Eye Mask. Find a calming and relaxing activity to focus on for 15 to 20 minutes. Let the mask take care of your skin as the formula fully absorbs, and enjoy a self-care break while doing what you love. Black Truffle Instant Repair Syringe. If you are always on the go but want a quick skin boost in the middle of your hectic day, this targeted wrinkle treatment smoothens and tightens in just minutes. A small amount will do, once or twice a day. The brand suggests it be used wherever and whenever you need it. White Truffle Day Moisturizer. One of Truffoire's best sellers is a lightweight cream that acts as an everyday hydrating shield that gives you a healthy-looking glow. Just apply after cleansing, and you are promised 24-hour hydration. The future of innovation according to Truffoire. The future is bright for Truffoire as they pursue a lasting impact on women globally. The brand aims to develop more innovative and anti-aging products and expand their reach to build a community of self-love and self-care, a sentiment true to their core. The brand strives to deliver their promise of luxurious skincare that will change lives and the skincare world for years to come. Conclusion: is Truffoire legit? Truffoire is highly reputable, with a solid grasp of their present goals, consumers, and where they will go. Their commitment to using high-quality ingredients and producing effective products is evident in the positive feedback they receive from satisfied customers. With a long history of producing innovative, luxurious, and effective products, Truffoire continues to be a trusted brand that delivers on its promises. Whether you are looking for a new skincare routine or simply want to pamper yourself, Truffoire is a brand you can trust to provide you with the results you are looking for. Frequently asked questions. Does Truffoire have a physical store? Truffoire does not currently have an official physical store, but instead has authorized retailers. If you want Truffoire products straight from the source, you can browse www.truffoire.com to see and check out their many anti-aging products. Is truffle good for your skin? Truffles are rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, all vital to skin health. Are Truffoire products suitable for sensitive skin? The brand welcomes all skin types, formulating each product with sensitive skin in mind.